ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwara na ụbọchị taata bụ nkwọ n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụl. Anyị na-agba afa mmiri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. N'oge awa nke eziokwu anyị bịara ka anyị diskọsụọ ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara ndị Amosu, negative energy, and the solution, the way forward. This teaching, ọ ga-adị very short. Yes, maka na one day some people really want me to be doing videos short so that it will be easier for them to share on WhatsApp groups. And so what I will be doing is that some of this teaching we have part 1, part 2 or more, depending on the length of the lecture. And again, some of my fans all over Africa, yes, really want me to be doing some of these videos in simplest English so that they will be able to digest it and be able to follow, and because they wish to be carried along. Yes, we are calling on African descendants, the children of Africa, for each and every one of us to come back to our root, because it's only to answer this clarion call using our African method. That is the only solution. African problem need African solution. There is no two ways about that. I'm proud of my Asian friends and brothers too. Yes, if you check world economy today, you will agree with me that Asians are really doing pretty good. Yes, because they are solving their own problem and challenges using their own Asian method and solution. So that is that. So China and India and fastest growing economy. Sorry for the second. See? So again, really solution of these challenges using our own method. The Chinese and Indians, I'm proud of them, and other Asian countries, they are really doing good because they are solving their own problem using their own solution. So I made this comment because to welcome some of my African friends. Some of them are from Cameroon and rest of them. Some are from Ghana. So what I'm telling you is that let's go back to our root and let's apply our African solution method. That is the only solution, and that is the only way out. Then, ọkwa dị mkpa echefukwara na o nwere aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa June na-aga n'iru. Anyị ga-enweta isi njedebe na June 19th. Na that June 19th aka ọ ga-eme 14 days because na anyị bidoro na June 6th. Emesizie ya egbu sie nri wee mesara ka ndị mmadụ ga-eri nkwa n'ụbọchị anwa. Ọ bụrụ na ị nọ ebe ọbụla in Nigeria and you wish to partake on it, then you let me know. That is a thing. That is it. So that is what you will know. Again, ihe ọzọ ị ama bụ na ọ bụrụ na ịghọta ihe ndị a ukwu, mana ọ bụrụ na iso ewe na nke ọnwa June, kwado maka nke ọnwa July. Ọnwa July ebidokwa na July 6th. Then ka isonye na ya bụ aja, forward 3 prayer requests. Then donate a token to a designated account. Ka anyị nweke tinye afa gị na nke ọnwa June. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ register go maka ya. Then n'isiokwu anyị ji maka ya bịa n'ụbọchị taa, agbaji na nkịtị when things are not working right for you. Because when you are keeping mute, as in keeping quiet, you are getting used to it. And for not reacting. There is nothing the forces of nature or your Amosu or your entities of powers will do about that. You understand? Because if you read Matthew 7:7, say the word said, ask, it shall be given unto you. Seek, you shall find. Knock, the door will be opened for you. Meaning that you lead. You must do what is expected of you. If you don't like what is happening around you right now, or you don't like what is happening in your account balance right now, then you have to do the needful. But when you keep mute, it means that you are okay. You understand? And there is no way the forces of nature will force you. So take note of that. Now, our lecture today is all you need to know about witchcraft. We call it Amosu in Igbo language. Now, what do you know about witchcraft or negative energy? Yes, negative energy. And the only way out. One, note that once you are living in this gross material, there is no way you run away from negative energy. Yes, or witchcraft. Witchcraft is a negative thought sent by a living being. It can be a group of people in form of association or fraternity. It can be negative thought or spell cast upon you by humans who are obvious, jealous, or envious of you. So as long as you are living in this gross material, you can never run away from people being jealous of you. If people are not jealous of you, it then means that you don't have something tangible. Let me give you an example. Let me use what you know to cite example. Even Jesus of the Jews, when he was alive, according to that allegorical story in the Bible, in the New Testament, some people are still envious of him. Some people masterminded his killing, the murder. Because the murder of Jesus Christ or any murder is dastardly act. They murdered him in order to suppress him because they thought and thinking that he's getting more followers and is becoming more popular. So some people can be jealous of you, thereby sending negative spell, negative thoughts against you because they don't like your face, because they thought, must it be you all the time? Some people can even be jealous of you, sending negative thought against you because they don't like your parents' face. They will be thinking, if this guy or this lady is successful, maybe his mother or his parents will start hanging shoulders. Therefore, because of hatred the person had for your mother or your father or your both parents, the person will decide to haunt you. The person might decide to send negative energy to you in order to hurt you, in order to make you remain stagnant, in order to make you not to be where you're supposed to be. But the primary and what triggered that anger and jealous is because of your parents. So you can see that we are living in a wicked world where people can hate you for no just cause. People can, but one thing they don't know is that when you are holding somebody down, when you are holding somebody down, you are holding yourself too. In my dialect, we said, adage says, when you are pinning somebody down, you cannot even go. So two of you will stuck in one place. You understand? So, and this has been the lifestyle of so many people. So, for the fact that you cannot stop people from being jealous of you, then that is why, like 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you go to Alpha, they will still show that Amosu people, the witchcraft people, negative energy around you. So, for you to solve this problem, you must be doing something from time to time, either doing work against witchcraft or to apply this principle I'm going to share with you. That's what I'm using. It worked for me. Believe in me, it will work for you if you apply it. Number one thing you must do, one, try to live a good life. Try to live a worthy life. As in, never you try to sow negative seed against anybody. Never you, for any reason, try to witch hunt anybody. Never you send negative thoughts against anybody. Never you be envious against anybody. As long as you are not doing all these things, the law of homogeneous species will help you, knowing fully well that you are not a type that will envy somebody. You are not a type that will be jealous of somebody. You are not a type that will send evil spell against anybody. For the fact that you are not exhibiting negativity, and they are living a life worthy of emulation, that what you don't want to happen to you, you will never send that thought or wish another person something. So for that reason, for the fact that you maintain this, believe in me, the forces of nature will help you. The entities of powers that is in charge of warding off negative thoughts, yes, will help you to make sure that any negative thoughts sent to you by any human will not penetrate. Any negative thoughts sent to you by envy, jealous, or whatever from man and woman will not touch you. Because you on your own, you can never do such to another man. Because even the word said, what you don't want to happen to you, don't allow it to happen to others. That whatever you used to sow for another person, something must come back to you, the originator. So the only way out, I can tell you, the only solution is one. Live a positive life. Have a positive mindset. Never plot evil. Never support evil. Never wish evil to your fellow human being. By so doing, you will be able to be closer to the forces of nature, and forces of nature will see you as a one of them. You will be pure, so that you will be able to warn off those negative energy. Example, in Ugochi EZE-ANA temple, we have a deity called EZE-ANA. Yes, he's a deity that is in charge of warning off those negative energy. If you run into his refuge, then for protection. However, before you can run into his refuge for protection, you must be clean, in the sense that he who goes to Ewuti must come with clean hands. So for the fact that they are looking for protection, you must be somebody, because he who live in a glass house should not throw stone. Yes, for the fact that you want protection, you try as much as possible not to be a problem for other people's protection. It then means that you must keep the natural laws that governs the universe, that demands that whatever you sow is what you reap. For the fact you want goodies and positivity around you, you must send out positivity in your thoughts or longing to others. If you can do this, I can tell you that entities or powers that is in charge of protecting, territorial protection, will always protect you. Because in the temple we have Otiba. The earthly name of that entity of power is EZE-ANA. The work is to protect you from any negative influence. But for you to be under her protection, you must come with clean hands. You must not be somebody that is planning evil against anybody, so that whatever evil anybody plan against you will never go, will never work. So the only solution is try to live a good life, worthy of emulation. Never you plan evil against anybody. Never you plan to kill anybody. Never you do charm in order to hypnotize another person or to charm another person. By so doing, the supernatural laws that is in charge of paying everybody, law of reciprocal action, will make sure that those things that you should not wish others will never come to you. That is the only solution. You understand? That is the only solution. Even if you are doing work against witchcraft people from touching you, make sure that you yourself, yes, as you are looking at me, make sure that you yourself is not a witchcraft to yourself. Because whatever you sow is what you will reap. Galatian system. After watching this video, if you want to watch this video in full, go to my YouTube channel. Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu oraifite. That is my YouTube channel. Or you WhatsApp me on WhatsApp 08057837 If you are watching from outside Nigeria, don't forget to add +234 8057837 We do consultation, deep consultation, to know exactly what is your problem. Because we believe that deep consultation is like running in a spiritual lab. It's like when you are sick, you go to hospital for lab. That is must be done first in order to ascertain the level of whatever your health challenge is. So, consult us in a time of need. I pray upon the lives of my followers, friends, and children all over the world, the people that are under my influence of my voice, in the name of the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe, the unmovable mover, the God of Africa. I call upon our ancestors. I call upon the holy beings to help us to actualize our dreams. And I pray that whatever we lay hands today, that this month of June, the month of abundance, the month of joy, that will be fulfilled. That every negativity in our life will vanish. Let there be breakthrough. Let there be upliftment. Let there be liberation. Let there be miracle upon their lives. Each and every one of us under the influence of my voice. I bless you all. With the name of the Almighty Father, the creator of the whole universe, now and forevermore. Wish you all the best. Enjoy the rest of your day. You can please share the videos to your friends and well-wishers.